The Anker SoundCore Motion Plus has become one of the most popular Bluetooth speakers of recent times. Now, this speaker released over a year ago, but even in 2021 remains one of the most popular Bluetooth speakers on the market. This speaker sells for around $105 and can be bought on anker.com or on Amazon. In this case, I bought my speaker from Amazon, and there are 3 colors you can choose from. They come in black, navy blue, or red like the one I got right here. So the front of the box, we see immersive high-res sound. Now, the big selling point for this speaker is that you get very good sound for under $150. We have other speakers such as JBL, the JBL Flip, JBL Charge going for well over $150, and there have been comparisons made between those speakers and this one we have right here. So looking at the back, this is a 30-watt speaker, and it comes with bass-up Qualcomm aptX technology. And it's also worth mentioning that this speaker is waterproof, so if you drop it in the pool or something, you should be good to go. And another big selling point for this speaker that consumers love is that it actually comes with an app, and within the app, you can customize the EQ settings within the speaker. So a lot of people say when they take it out of the box, they have the preset EQ settings. It doesn't sound that great, but once they tweak those settings, it sounds like one of the best speakers on the market. So before we open this, just what we're going to get in the box is obviously the speaker, and then this is charged by USB-C, and it also comes with an aux cable. Now, the app is available for Android and Apple devices. So as we open this up now, just a few other talking points. The battery for this is supposed to last around 12 hours, but I've seen many online reviews saying when playing at 50% volume, they can get up to 24 hours of playtime without having to charge the speaker, which is pretty impressive. There are other speakers made by Anker that do have longer battery life, according to their website, but a lot of consumers did say they saw their devices lasting just as long as those other models. So as we open up the package here, we have it looks like user manuals, probably some more warranty information behind that. So here we have the SoundCore Motion Plus Quick Start Guide. Shows you how to power up your device, charge it, and pair it with a Bluetooth device. And on the back, we just have a support web address right there. So not really going to go through this, but since it's an unboxing video, I will just quickly flip through it and show you everything that comes inside the box. So here it looks like we have some warranty information or something like that. And here might be like a customer support number. I'm not really sure. So that's that. That's it for the paperwork. And next we have our USB-C charging cable and our aux cord. So now that we got the small stuff out of the way, we can finally put the main attraction here, the speaker, into frame, and we'll take a good look at that. Alright, so there is some plastic it's wrapped in, so we'll just take that right off. It does feel pretty heavy. It definitely feels like 2.5 pounds. The specs say that this speaker weighs in at 2.31 pounds, and definitely feels like that. And so here we have the speaker. What I want to note is that this speaker does have a little bit of a tilt to it, 15-degree tilt. And the buttons on top, we have Bluetooth, volume up. In the middle we have, I'm not really sure what this button does yet, it might have something to do with the app. And then volume down, and then on the left here is a bass up, bass down button, I believe. So going back to the tilt of this, it tilts upwards at 15 degrees because the manufacturer wants the noise to go upwards towards the consumer's ears. And here we have our power on switch, and then our charging ports, and then aux port, protected by a big rubber layer there. since the speaker is waterproof. Now, there's like a rubbery feel to this. A lot of people say it attracts a lot of fingerprints, so I guess I'll just have to find that out. And there's a look again at the tilt of the speaker, the 15-degree tilt. So after this video, I'm going to show you how to access the app and then create your own customizable EQ settings. And in the description, I will also link what people believe to be the best EQ settings. There's a YouTube video that's very popular going around of a guy reviewing the speaker, claiming to have the best EQ settings. And once I try those out and think they're good, I'll link them. So now we're in the app. So when you open the app, you just have to find your speaker in the front there. So I went to Motion Plus. It was right there, pretty easy. And here's our screen now. And there's a bunch of preset wave equalizers here. Like here we have bass up, classic, bass off. There's a bunch of those. And there's also another feature where you can choose to have your speaker power off automatically after a certain amount of time. You can also update the firmware, and you can also disconnect Bluetooth devices from the app itself. So in a minute, I'm just going to show you how to get to that custom EQ settings. So we go back, and here we are, the custom wave equalizer. So you can mess around with these. I recommend seeing what works for you, but again, I will link that video with the very popular custom settings. So yeah, that's basically how to use the app. It's pretty easy setup. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you all for the next video. Thank you.